Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Thank you for giving me the time to explain my presentation. Intro touch. My name is Dwi Nur Aida, Management Class 2A, afternoon. Study number is 241221004. The title of my presentation material is Production Management. Here I will present my material. Shall I start my presentation? Production definition. Production is company activity to produce goods or service from material or source of factors of production with the aim to selling them again. There are several production processes according to the division, which are classified into 4 groups. Number 1, production nature. Number 2, type of production. Number 3, base of the benefit grade. Number 4, production process technique. Explanation. Number 1, production nature. It is usually distinguished whether the product to be produced reflects the special nature of the buyer's consumption, or whether the product to be produced is a standard based on company decision. Specific product. Buyer want certain specification of a product. For example, furniture, clothing, shoes, age. B. Standard production. Standard products become the company decision will result in the production process used will be different from the products process from other products. Because a company that makes standard products mean products with standard size and very large quantity because it aims to be sent to buyer or distributor. For example, television, toothbrush, baby clothes, age. Number 2, type of production process divided into 2 types. A. The type of continuous products process usually occur in industry that only have one operating shift, or the activity does not stop for a long time and the good products have almost the same shape. For example, cement companies, textile, car, age. B. The type of production process in intermediate. This type is used in companies that product based on order from consumers or buyer who will buy. For example, furniture, clothes, age. Number 3, benefit grade. There are 5 benefit grades. Number 1, basic benefit or primary utility. The basic benefit will occur if the activity carried out by the company are activities that are engaged in the taking and supply of goods or products from sources already available by nature. For example, mining companies, fisheries, age. Number 2, the benefit of the firm or firm utility. Of this production process occur after the basic benefit are carried out, and then next process is carried out to create even better benefit. For example, furniture. Number 3, time benefit or time utility. The time benefit is associated with an increase in the value of goods that have a time difference. For example, store in warehouse after price rise, the rise that does not run out during the period of falling price because time continues to cause the value of the rights to increase. Number 4, place benefit or place utility. Place benefit can be found in transportation companies. The company, whether it's train or airplanes, will increase the benefit of the goods being moved. Example, agricultural products are transported to the city. Number 5, ownership benefit or ownership utility is an effort to transfer goods belong to one person to another. For example, traders, shop, dealer, distributor, retail, each. Number 4, production process technique. Based on the technique can be divided into several types, namely. Number 1, extractive process is a process that is carried out by taking directly from available natural resource. Example, mining process, fishing companies, plantation, age. Number 2, analytical process, the process to describe or separate from a certain raw material into several kinds of form that resemble the original type. Example, Pertamina. Number 3, fabrication process. The fabrication or conversion process is the process of converting raw goods into ready-made goods, usually using tools such as machines, and the output may vary. For example, clothing, the process of making shoes, each. Number 4, synthetic process, the process of combining several materials or compound of substance in a product form. For example, chemical companies, drugs, glass, each. Number 5, assembling process means assembling several finished or semi-finished products into new products or new goods without changing the physical form of the chemical composition. Example, electric application company. Production activity. In the production function, here a production manager will face problems related to the company as a whole and must be overcome. Problem in the production department include: number 1, production planning. Number 2, planning of physical product validation. Number 3, production control. Number 4, inventory control and production quality. Number 5, maintenance equipment. Explanation. Number 1, corporate planning is a process of research and development of new products and all that will be and have been produced by the company. The factors that need to be considered in product planning are as follows. Number 1, products benefit for consumers. Number 2, market demands. Number 3, market potential. Number 4, possible future product development. Number 5, competitive force, age. The decisions concerning production activity are relate to the main issues, which include type of good to be made, for example, design, method of manufacture of good, the number of items to be made, determining the equipment to be used. Number 2, product physical facility planning. It is an integrated process in which all aspects of productivity must be carefully considered. For example, building, workplace, and machines. Aspect of the company physical facility planning consists of A. Determination of company location, B. Building, C. Product facility layout planning, D. Work environment planning. Number 3. Production control are various activities and methods used by company management to manage, organize, coordinate, and direct the production process or equipment, raw material, machines, and labor into a flow that produces result with the minimum amount of cost and time as soon as possible. Production control can be done by A. Order control, a company that operates based on order from consumer so that its operational activity also depends on this order. B. Flow control, company that operates to product standard products so that some products are products for a larger quantities of inventory. Number 4. Inventory and quality control. Raw material inventory control. With the control of raw material, the company will try to profit the raw material need in the production process in such a way that it runs smoothly without shortage or excess inventory. There is a way to determine the actual amount of raw material that the company needs to profit at the minimum cost for or in the sense of benefit the company. The trick is to use AOQ or economical order quantity analysis. In other words, the company will have the most profitable inventory if it makes an economical order. The factors that affect AOQ are as follows: amount of raw material requirement per year, ordering fee, storage fee, raw material price. If used as the AOQ formula is economical order quantity. Quality control is a process to determine damage goods and strive to recruit and maintain goods that are already good and then control so that production result in the future will no longer experience quality degradation or damage. Quality control for both continuous production process or intermediate production process is relative the same, which include the following activities: determine quality standard both in terms of size, durability, color, shape, place, age by using standard equipment. Look for inspector who have the required skill but regarding the use of the equipment and its maintenance. The purpose of quality control is to minimize the cost of the production process so that the fund can be used for more productive activities. Number 5, cost control and maintenance. Production cost control is carried out to find out how much sales volume results in profit, loss, or just enough to cover the total costs incurred by the company. How to analyze the necessary costs, where BEP or key number of unit products, VC or fixed cost, fee or variable cost. Fixed costs are costs whose size is not affected by the number of goods production and can change per unit within a certain range. For example, labor salary, building maintenance costs, interest costs, and retail costs. Variable costs are costs whose size depends on the number of goods produced by the company. The total amount per unit is fixed. For example, the cost is raw material, the cost of auxiliary material, maintenance and replacement of production facilities are carried out in order to maintain the level of productivity of machines and other equipment. This is a graphic of production management.